Naka ano ka na, naka 20 minutes. Oh, mabilis pala dito magdilim. Mabilis mag ano. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Shout out Bluro Buro from FB page. Nothing was goodbye. Oh, damihan nyo nanonood ng ating Master Birador vlog. Shoutout sa iyo, Master Birador. Ako nga pala si Beast Mode TV. At ang ating bida ngayon ay si Master and Friends.
Balik ka na, Master.
Bumalik ka na dito, Master. Kailangan ka na daw namin.
Master, huli ka, no?
Yun na, grabe, nanood lang si Master, may huli na.
Oh, grabe, lakas.
Kailangan nata tumambay dito si Master, no?
Di ba wala?
Hoy! Yan, guys. Ahon na, ahon na. Wow, 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 wow. Nice catch. Laki niyan, sir.
Hindi ko talaga yun, eh.
Lapad, oh.
Maganda, no?
Ganda namang size niyan. Solve na solve.
Ganda ng size.
Kaya nga, sir, laki, oh. Lapad.
Ganda ng size.
Oo.
Jackpot.
Ganda, laki.
Oh, Verde.
Kaya nga. Sarap yung iprito mamaya, no? Sarap. Fresh fried tilapia. Guys, fresh fried tilapia. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much.
Malaki mga sarap.
Wow, kaya nga, Master. Ang lapad talaga. Gilid mo muna dyan, Master. Kunin natin mamaya.
Makikita pa rin. Takas pa rin yung ano.
Yun na. Another one, guys. Just watch.
Ano, kaya ko. Ay, yan tagal. Nakalasin na naman, Master.
Kaya yan, Master. Matalas naman ang iyong mata. Kaya mo naman magpasok kahit madilim.
Hindi ka pwedeng makahuli na pag nakalasin yung mata mo, eh.
Kaya hindi ako pwede dito, Master. Talaga namang walang huli. Uuwi akong luhaan. Salamat sa ating live viewers out there. Hoping you're enjoying our live stream, guys. Please comment down below where you from and which country were you from right now. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
Tama rin to. Ano yun nila yung nakikita ko, eh.
Oh, from Gabriel, from Romania. Shout out to you, Sir Gabriel. Sir, what time in Romania right now? Because right now, here in Taiwan, we are 5:30 in the evening. Wow! There's another one, guys. Just watch. We pulling up right now. Another catch, guys. Oh, that's a big one.